All right, so when I go to lock and unlock my doors with the button or with the fob, sometimes it's working, but now I'm trying to unlock and it's trying to move, but it's like it doesn't have enough power. That one's not unlocking. That one has been working, but now I'm doing it over and over. It's like it doesn't have enough power. The passenger or rear driver's side hasn't been working, and it's not a battery issue. Got plenty of battery. Everything else is working fine. That one's still not going at all. And then once I do it a few times, this one even quits. And that even sounds like it has less power now. But battery is still full.